So I recently completed my internship as a software developer at a startup, and these are my 5 learnings which you might find useful and might help you too. So watch this video till the end to find out all the 5. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Divastar Jivan and I am a final year engineering student at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Vadodara, and on this channel I create videos related to web development, tutorials, tips and tricks, and freelancing. So if you are interested in this kind of topic, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more future videos and like this video if you find this video helpful. So the first point is scale makes a huge difference. Scale is a crucial consideration in software development that can make a huge difference in success and failure of a project. As college students, we work on small projects that don't require us to think about the scale of our software. However, in real world, we need to consider the number of users, the amount of data to be processed, and expected response time for the functions. The number of users is an essential that can impact the hardware technology and tools in the development process. Large-scale system requires robust hardware and scalable systems that can handle high volume of traffic and data processing. Decision about the system architecture and algorithm use also depends on the scale of the project. Expected response time for a function is also critical in determining the success of a project. End user expect quick and responsive application, and slow response time can lead to users' dissatisfaction and frustration. Hence, it is essential to design and develop a system that can respond quickly even when the amount of users are very huge and high volume of data is being processed. In summary, the scale of project is critical consideration in software development. College projects are often small scale and short-sighted, but real-world projects require us to consider the number of users, the amount of data to be processed, and expected response time for functions. By taking these factors into account, we can make better decisions about hardware, technologies, system architectures, algorithms, which can ultimately lead to the success of the project. Next point is working with the large code bases. So working with the large code bases can be overwhelming, especially when you are used to work with the smaller projects like we all are when we are in the college. College projects typically have a small number of files and can be understood in short amount of time. In contrast, real-world projects have huge number of files, maybe even hundreds or thousands of files spread across multiple folders. Understanding the complete project can take months and debugging bugs can take hours. It can be challenging to understand where to start when looking at a large code base for the first time. However, with practice and experience, developer can learn to navigate large code bases effectively and efficiently using a version control system properly. When I first started building small softwares, all the files of the project existed on my own development machine, and maybe they were bagged in Google Drive as a regular file. Then I got to know about GitHub, but I merely used it as a safe storage place for my code. I used GitHub desktop app to commit all the changes on just master branch. Even I hesitated it using with command line. But now not a day goes by when I don't use Git. It's such a great tool for collaboratively writing code, distributed development, branching out for new features, pull requests, and so on. Next point is code quality check. Writing clean, understandable, and maintainable code is essential for any software development project. However, it's not just about creating a high quality code at the time of writing, but also ensuring that it remains high quality over time. One way to do this is by checking your code after 2 weeks to see if it is possible. Checking your own code after 2 weeks of writing it is crucial, as it allows you to approach your code with fresh eyes and clearer perspective. You can evaluate your code in more objective and unbiased manner, almost as if you are reviewing someone else's code. Doing so will help you identify possible issues and bugs that you may have missed when you wrote it. While it is important to write workable code, it is equally important to write code which is maintainable, readable, and understandable, as you are not only working on the project. Having clean code ensures that it is easy to maintain, easy to debug, and easy to understand, and can be modified easily in the future. When teammates review your code, they will appreciate your effort you put in making it easy to understand and work with. Finally, it is important to ensure that each function and class serves a single well defined, that can be easily understood at a glance. This makes it easy for others to maintain and comprehend your code, which can save time and effort in long run. Next point is common learning. So some more common learning. Effective communication is critical for success in any team-oriented project, especially when it comes to software development. As a programmer, it can be challenging to explain your work to a non-technical team member who may not understand the technical jargons and frameworks you might be using. However, being able to effectively communicate your progress and development can greatly aid in team understanding and cohesion. Developing your communication skill is just as essential as honing your programming skills. Agile development is an excellent way to learn how to work in a team-oriented environment, prioritize tasks, and communicate effectively with team members. Agile methodologies constantly encourages constant communication between the team members to ensure that everyone is on the same page and working toward the same goal. Working collaboratively with your colleague is also essential in software development role, particularly in a startup environment. By learning how to communicate effectively and work constructively with your team members, you can generate new ideas, receive better feedback, which can lead to better development outcomes. Finally, problem-solving skills are critical in fast-paced startup environment. This involves thinking creatively, working under pressure, and identifying and solving problems with limited resources. By honing your communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills, you can become more effective and valuable member of a software development team. I have also created videos on creating chatbot for WhatsApp, Discord, web, and creating a AI art generator with the help of Node.js and React.js. Also, I have videos on how I earned 1 lakh rupees in college through freelancing, and I have also shared my 2 months internship experience, which you can watch on my channel. I will link all of the videos in the description, or you may surf my channel and get some more valuable information from my previous videos. So yeah, bye bye.